How to make your Pinterest profile public. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your Pinterest profile to public. So let's get started. So first, just head over to your Pinterest application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're inside here, just select your account icon or profile icon at the bottom right corner and just select your account or profile icon at the top left corner, just like this. And once you select it, here you can see the option that is profile visibility. So you can basically tap on this and to make your profile public. As you can see, currently my profile is private. So when your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profiles, pins, boards, followers and following list. So once you disable it, just like that, you can easily make your profile public. Now that your profile is public, you don't have to approve any one of those mentioned profile, pins, boards, followers and following for the people to see. They can basically see it automatically. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.